What is your preference, the bass upright or the electric bass?
I love them both equally. I mean, for different things, yeah, they definitely have their own little character, but you know, I love them both. You know, I love playing different types of music, and both of them I feel are really fun and beautiful instruments. Yeah.
I notice I hear a lot of classical, a lot in your music. How do you describe your jazz?
It's hard for me to really describe. I mean, I would just say that I try and be as sincere as possible with my music and my writing, and hopefully it kind of encompasses a lot of things that have influenced me, such as classical music or you know, rock music, and you know, so I've studied a lot of music in my day, and I'm still continuing to study, you know, so I just hope I'm as sincere with my music as possible.
Why jazz? I mean, like I said, I've heard some classical, I've heard some rock.
Yeah.
Why jazz?
Well, I love the language, I love to improvise, and I've been influenced by a lot of musicians within the jazz genre. People such as Ray Brown, Paul Chambers, bass players specifically, but also other musicians, Miles Davis, Bill Evans, Charles Mingus, another bassist. Yeah, so it's a music that really interests me and has a lot of power, and was born out of a lot of you know, interesting different cultures, and also born out of struggle, and brought out of, you know, just amazing people who worked very hard, maybe not in the best conditions sometimes, and you know, it's inspiring.
And you relate to that?
Yeah, I think it's amazing, you know. Yeah.
A little bit more about the struggle. Did you have that sort of experience coming up?
Well, I think all musicians, to some extent, you know, they struggle with different things, you know, whether it be a struggle musically, or a struggle financially, or a struggle, you know, who knows, in the business realm or whatever, you know. Yeah. I think being an artist in general is a struggle, but, you know, you just keep pushing yourself, you know. I think that a part of being an artist for me is constantly pushing yourself, and being able to see what you can create, and yeah, yeah.
You want to talk about your new CD or new album you released?
So my new album is called Walk Against Wind, and it's a collection of tunes that I've been working on for a while with these amazing musicians. It's Ben Wendell on tenor saxophone, Matt Stevens on guitar, Fabian Almazan on piano and keys, and Justin Brown on drums, and special guest Minji Park on Korean percussion. Yeah, really love these musicians, and I hope you get to check it out.
And your stay here in Baltimore, how was that?
It was great. I mean, it was very short. We were at the Climate March yesterday in DC, so we just took the train up, and we're actually taking the bus back tonight. So I love Baltimore. So many great musicians from here: Warren Wolf, Tim Green. Yeah, so many musicians. So it's a beautiful energy, and the crowd was just lovely, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.